You as a parent are explaining something to your kid while they start Googling what you're saying to fact check. You know how kids usually do? I do that too, to my parents. What are your actions?
Oh, that never happens. I was lecturing a few years ago at Georgetown University, and I noticed all the students had their laptops and tablets on typing away. I thought they were taking notes, but then I made a mistake somewhere, and someone said, actually, it's, and they checked it. So, no, I've come to accept this. So I guess with children, I would say, you know, it's not polite to check. That's like asking someone, but after the conversation, I would say that it's not a bad idea to check your facts and get it straight. But understand why you're doing it and what you're learning from this, because I think. To echo what everyone said before, it's not just a question of knowing the facts, but interpreting them and asking the right questions. So it would be a conversation, would be my answer.
Thank you.